numeral boa, and a ball python.
Wow.
It's getting a little tight on my wrist.
What is good, you guys? It's your boy Elijah Steven back again with my father, the guru, as you've seen him long ago. He hasn't been on the channel in a long time. He's back in Cali. We are right now at the South OC Cars and Coffee, round 602, and we also have DDEs here as well. So we'll go ahead and check those out in a few minutes. We're gonna go walk around all these cars, and then also later in this video, I'll go ahead and show you some of McLaren's race cars. We went over to Lamborghini Newport Beach the other day and checked out a P1 GTR, Senna GTR, and a few other crazy cars. So we're gonna go check all of this stuff out, and we'll get my dad's take on what he thinks is the best ones, and try and go catch DDE. I'm not sure where they are right now, but we'll go find them. So let's cue the intro and we'll get back to the video. All right, guys, we're gonna go talk to our boy about the snakes. I don't know what's going on today. Let's go check it out.
It is, you know, cold right now.
He brought the snakes out.
What's going on, y'all? Yeah.
Love it.
Appreciate it.
What's going on today?
Father of the year.
The father's here today.
Father of the year of the father.
Yes, sir.
What?
How you doing today?
What's going on, Pops? How are you, man?
I'm doing great. Yourself?
That's good. I'm good.
What kind of snakes are these?
Red tail boa, numeral boa, and a ball python. It's getting a little tight on my wrist. My blood is circulating. I'll be back.
Excuse me, we just talked with Street Plugs real quick. He is chilling. He brought his pythons out today, his snakes. That was a first for me. I never seen nobody bring their snakes out to Cars and Coffee, but that was pretty cool. So we're just walking through. There's a ton of really nice stuff here today. A ton of Ferraris, as you can see, Ferrari aisle, AMG. There's just like a variety of everything. SVs, SVJ. There's so much stuff here today. I'm just gonna try and show you everything I can. As I wanted to show you this 600 LT right here. It's super beautiful. In the video, like the clips I'll show today from the other day at Lamborghini Newport Beach, I was showing you guys a lime green 600 LT that I really want to get my hands on. But I just wanted to show you this one. It's really nice. This one's a Spider as well. The one at Lamborghini Newport Beach is a Spider too. This one's like chicane effect gray. Super nice. We'll be bringing one of these to the channel real soon. This is such a gorgeous 720, guys. It's got like the craziest satin wrap. I think it's a wrap. I'm pretty like 99% sure. Yeah, it is. You can see. It's super sick though, with this crazy rift wing and the diffuser. It looks really good. This is just such a crazy day. Just look at this. 360 views on views. So gorgeous. What a beautiful day. Oh, good stuff. Good stuff. Oh God. Today, guys. Today is the day to come here. I'm still trying to find Damon and Dave. I can't find them, but we'll go find them in a bit. Alright guys, so my grandma's also here. I don't know if she wants to be in the video, but her favorite car here that she was walking by and saw was the McLaren 600 LT. So, you know, it's gotta be some kind of genetic preference, you guys. So, guys, I wanted to come back over here and show you the Huracan Evo GTR. It's pretty cool. I mean, if you saw the last video where I was here and they came, I showed it to you, but I wanted to show you guys again because it's just such a cool car. Look at this. It's so bright.
Maybe. But yeah, big shout out to you guys.
Oh yeah, we're all. So we got the Pandem kit. We got the Street Hunter kit.
In its own way, so it's
my bad, dude. My bad. Yeah, here you go. Then we got this one. I don't even know what kit this is. Alright guys, so we got the SOCAL kit. I'll show you this. It's pretty crazy. It's super wide. I personally am a fan of the Pandem kit. That's my favorite one. And then behind that is Tej's kit, which is the Street Hunter kit. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna give you the rear view. Go ahead and show you. So we have the Pandem kit, and then we have over there Tej's kit. It looks really good though. Super wide molded kit. Looks great. Thing looks really good, guys. It sounds really good too, honestly. Alright guys, so we just arrived. This is one of the cars that we want to bring to the channel. We are going to do everything we can to bring this to the channel. Just look at that. Oh my gosh. So it's a lime green 600 LT. If you've been here for a while, you know 600 LTs are my absolute favorite car on the planet. So we're going to try and bring this one in particular to the channel. Performante is the next. 600 LT first. I think. Don't quote me on that, but I'm thinking that one. Alright, so I honestly think that my favorite one is easily going to be this P1 GTR. It's pretty crazy. I do also really like the Senna GTR. I wasn't a fan of the Senna GTR for the longest time because the wing, in my opinion, was a little too crazy. But this P1 GTR that's the ultimate goal. That's the 10-year goal, I'll say. But let me just show you this because it's ridiculous. So we have all of the P1 race aero. We obviously have the chassis mounted wing, which is crazy. We have the insane exhaust setup. And you can just see like everything in there is like just massive pieces of carbon. The whole entire car is carbon. If you didn't know, P1 GTR is obviously a lot lighter. It's obviously just specifically was supposed to be just for the track. Although we've got some conversions to be able to use them out on the street, which is honestly really cool. Favorite car here. 10-year goal, maybe not even 10. Let's go 5-year goal. We're gonna go with the P1 for sure. Let's just do P1 for sure. Also, if you watched the channel a while back, you saw we did a reaction video to this Artura when they first unveiled it. It's pretty cool. I thought, you know, my opinion on it, I think it looks like a 570. Kind of, you know, updated a little bit. They are really cool. We thought about ordering one of these, but 600 has our hearts. So we're probably gonna go with 600, like I said, and maybe sometime down the road, because everything's moving electric. We'll go with an Artura or something. And then we have this crazy speed tail, as you can see. This one, I think, if I'm not mistaken, is the one with the platinum badge. Let's check it out. It has the platinum badges, the carbon inlay, so it's a pretty crazy spec. And it's like a satin white, if you can see that. It looks really cool. Alright guys, so we also have a GT3 RS. And this is another car we really want to get on the channel. I think it speaks for itself. This is like, the GT3 RS, in my opinion, is what I would probably take even over GT2 RS. That is just me. Something about the NA Porsche. I mean, this spec too. I think this is a chalk white. Obviously, we got the gold wheels. This obviously, I'm pretty sure it's a YSOC package. Is it? I can't tell, but it does have the roll cage. Not sure if that was aftermarket or not. Super sick spec. Check that out. With the carbon exhaust tips. This is a really great spec. I think my dad would be a fan of this one. He's a super huge Porsche guy, and I mean, I think that speaks for itself. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below and let me know. I wanted to show you guys this. All of the carbon on this bug is crazy. I don't even know if you can see that, it's because it's so clean, but like it's this crazy weave of like blue and dark blue. It's crazy. You guys have to see this in real life. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I apologize for the hat hair. That's what a day of wearing a hat does. Anyways, I just wanted to say thank you guys a ton. If you are still here, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss anything. We are going to be doing a ton of cool stuff in the very near future, and the more subscribers and help we have and more viewers is going to help us be able to do a lot more with the channel. So hit the like button, share it with a homie or a friend, and we'll see you super soon.